stuck in the hammock all night, and now it's probably about 11 a.m. The hammock is dry, but this is beginning to take a biscuit. It really is. Checked on my bicycle about an hour ago, and everything on there was soaked. Look at that. I've never camped out before in a rainstorm like that. It was I was soaked, but you know, even though I pitched the fly quite high like that, it stayed dry. Really impressive. Bike's a little bit damp though. Big puddle now on the bottom of this bag here. Yeah. Oops. Don't think I'll be using that map again. Oh, yeah, there's a puddle in there.